Hey, it's Pork Bun and El Gringo showing you how to do the move by Undertaker, the Tombstone Pile-Driver. Uno, dos, tres. Alright, I'm showing you how it's done. You're going to go for left to the fist, then you're going to take your arm right here, put it on his arm, take your arm, put it under his leg, pick up, okay, you're going to lock right here, and then you're going to do his move, then you're going to make sure the head's tucked under the legs, and then you're going to drop right down on your knees, like that. You're going to drop. Then you're going to take his arm right here, then